Welcome to today's daily message. Today I want to continue my written reflection that I began yesterday, my reflection on the real presence of Christ, the sacramental presence of Christ, and the real presence of Christ in everyone and everything we experience. St. Teresa of Avila from the 16th century, the mystical doctor of the church who saw all things with the eye of her soul, famously wrote these words: Christ has no body on earth but yours. Yours are the eyes with which he looks compassionately on this world. Yours are the feet with which he walks to do good. Yours are the hands with which he blesses all the world. Christ has no body now on earth but yours. The powerful truth of our oneness extends even to those who we think of as our enemies. We love our neighbor as ourselves, not just because Jesus taught us to do so, but because our neighbor is us. And so we, quote, bless those who curse us and pray for those who mistreat us, as we hear in the Gospel of Luke. There is no exception to this. Jesus said, "A new commandment I give to you, that you love one another as I have loved you. By this, all will know that you are my disciples, if you love one another." Several years ago, my wife and I were privileged to attend a talk given by another Teresa, St. Teresa of Calcutta. I confess I don't remember anything she said, but I do remember very well the simple gesture she extended to us at the beginning and at the end of her presentation. She put her hands together at her forehead and bowed to us. This was a sign of reverence for the presence of God. God is also really present in Sister Mother Earth, as St. Francis of Assisi referred to her. For since the creation of the world, God's invisible qualities, his eternal power and divine nature, have been clearly seen, being understood from what has been made, so that people are without excuse, as we hear in the letter to the Romans. Sister Mother Earth feeds us, provides us the air we breathe, shares her beauty with us. And Sister Mother Earth needs us to care for her as her children. We show reverence for the earth by caring for her, by working in harmony with her. The Eucharist spurs us to respect and revere everything: ourselves, our neighbor, our earth. The real presence is in us and through us and all around us. Thank you so much for watching today. Have a wonderful weekend.